The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years. The goal of the keto diet is to enter a state of ketosis, in which the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Typically, the keto diet involves consuming about 70 to 80% of calories from fat, 10 to 20% from protein, and less than 10% from carbohydrates. This means that foods high in carbohydrates, such as bread, pasta, and sugar, are avoided or limited, while foods high in fat, such as meat, cheese, and avocado, are encouraged. The keto diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss, reducing inflammation, improving blood sugar control, and reducing the risk of certain diseases. However, it may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. It is always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or making significant dietary changes. Like and subscribe the channel.